In year 12, I bombed my half-yearly physics exam. I literally bombed it. I got 60%, which for me was horrible because in the first exam, I got 93 or 96%, something in the mid to high 90s, right? For me, getting 60% was terrible. Now, this turned from a good subject to a bad subject, all because of one or two topics that ended up being 50% or more of that exam. So I aced everything from the topic before, but I didn't get anything right from that one or two topics, and I bombed the exam. For me, 60% was horrible. Now, my final mark was a 95. So how did I go from good subject, then it was a horrible subject that I didn't understand this topic, and I got it to a 95, from 60 to 95 in 6 months, from half yearlies to trial exams, 6 months. Now, I got it better in 2 weeks. I fixed it in 2 weeks. In my next exam, I went back to being first and killed it. So in 2 weeks, I'm going to teach you how you can go from a bad subject to making it a good subject. Literally, it's going to start with one thing, and I talk about it all the time on my channel, the traffic light system. If you're not using the traffic light system to track your subjects, then you are cooked. The reason I sucked in this exam was because I went into the exam I was just cocky because did very well in the first exam. I'm like, physics, I'll just study and I'll be able to do it well. I went into the exam with everything green for the first topic that I smashed in the term before, but the topics that I just learnt that were very bad for me, everything was orange at best, red and orange, right? So I went into exams with everything red and orange. You need to look at the traffic light system. If you don't know what it is, you rate your subjects red for horrible, orange for in the middle, and green for very good. You got to rate them as that based on your past paper performance, based on your Anki or your notes, how much you remember the exam, the notes and the flashcards, how well you do in practice tests and all that sort of thing, and how well you kind of feel on it. Please be hard on yourself. You're most likely orange if you think you're green. To be green, you have to get 100% on everything for a week or a couple of days. You're green. You understand it and you'll never forget it. And what I did is I went into the exam with oranges and reds. And if you go into an exam with orange and reds, you get an illusion of, it's a bad subject, when all you have to do is target the topics that you suck at, and it's easy. So first thing you have to do is on your traffic light system, have a look and see, okay, these topics are the ones I suck at. It's my bad subject because of these topics. That's what you're going to do first. They are your biggest thing. Anything that's orange or green, don't worry about right now. Reds. We need to get the reds to orange, and we can do that in a week. In a week, you can get reds to orange very easily. Learn the basics of the subject. Maybe go to the textbooks. Maybe reread your lectures or reread your notes or your teacher's slides. Maybe if you're inside Elite Achievers, you rewatch the lectures or you join Elite Achievers so we can teach you from 998 time mentors, state ranking, first in the state, 100 over 100 scorers in every subject. We can teach you how to do the subject properly. So in a week or less than a week, you can get everything from red to orange. That's easy. Just learn the thing properly. The hardest thing is going from orange to green. It means you understand the basics, but really getting it and understanding it properly is hard. Now, this is where past papers come in. You will always, basically always, go from orange to red, orange to green. You're going to go from orange to green in subjects from doing past papers, from learning, okay, I understand the information. Now we got to get it green by understanding how to apply it to past paper questions. That's what's going to get you from orange to green on the traffic light system. And then once you're green, it's a good subject, right? It's a good topic. That's all you got to do. So what I would do is in the first week, it's holidays now, right? It's holidays. In holidays, you should be focusing on getting your bad subjects that you've already learned or anything that you kind of suck at, getting it to green. So from red on the traffic light system, orange, and then green. You can't go from red to green, obviously skipping a whole step. So in the first week, I would focus on getting it from red to orange. All your reds to orange. That will only take you a week. If you're inside Elite Achievers, you can learn it within a couple of days and it's done. If you can go through your teacher's lectures or go on YouTube and look at stuff. You can get anything from red to orange in a week. Now, orange is the hardest thing to get out of because it is a lot. To get to green, you've got to be doing everything right on past papers. You've got to be understanding everything. That will take you a couple of weeks if you're horrible, but realistically, you can do it in 1 week, or red can only take you a couple of days, and then the rest can take you the rest of the 2 weeks. Past paper questions, drill them. This is where Anki question cards come in. You got your Anki cards for the theory, getting you from red to orange, but Anki theory cards aren't going to get you from orange to green. You've got to use Anki question cards. When you get something wrong in a past paper, go through past papers and try to get everything wrong. People think, I did bad in past papers. That's good. I want to do, I was when I got 100 over 100 in math, I was trying to find past paper questions that I couldn't do. I could do all of them. I was trying to find, please give me a hard question so I can learn from it and make it into an Anki question card so I can actually get something out of it, right? So make Anki question cards, screenshot the front of the card being the question, the back of the card being your answer and the correct answer and what your mistake was. If you review these cards every day in Anki with spaced repetition and active recall, you will basically ace everything and turn a subject from being red, doing theory cards and understanding the theory gets it to orange, doing question cards and understanding how to apply that theory 2 actual exam questions will get you to green. And you can do this in under 2 weeks, and I'm confident that you can do this in under 2 weeks for any subject, like I did with physics, and I went from 60% to 95% and coming first in my school. That's my advice from getting a bad subject to a good subject in 2 weeks. If you have more questions, let me know in the comments. I'll answer all your questions. And other than that, enjoy the rest of your holidays. But please, don't go into year 12, year 11, year 10, year 9 with horrible subjects if you already don't understand the basics, right? Especially you year 12s. We've already done one term. Don't be like me, and then you're going to, take it from me. I went into this term 2 of year 12 after holidays, and I kind of let my guard down with physics. Don't do that. Get everything green that you've already learned, and then when you're in the term, if it's bad, please learn it straight away. 2 weeks is all you need to get it from red to orange with Anki theory cards, and then orange to green with Anki question cards. That's my advice on how to get everything from a bad subject to a good subject in under 2 weeks.